Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use the different functions on the copy and paste functions on the toolbar up here, because there's different things you can do. So like for this example, I have some dimension strings on a very basic building, and so I can just click those. So this is on the first floor. I think it's the ceiling. No, this is the floor plan. Over here is the ceiling plan. So say I took these. And I actually had a student I was helping, and he had all of his dimension strings on his first floor plan or on his ceiling plan. So he was, let me just save that. Let's see, actually, I don't want to do that. Okay, so if we tab, we'll just put dimension strings in real fast. There's one. There's two. And then if you don't know what I'm doing, I'm sure you all know what I'm doing. But anyway, you can hit tab until you hit the line that you want a dimension to. That's a trick that I noticed maybe some people don't know. And then I'm going to do one more. Okay. So yeah, like I said, he had his dimension strings on his reflected ceiling plan, and then he didn't have any information on his first floor plan. So he was kind of freaking out. So what I helped him do is I told him he could just click one at SA, it'll select all of them. He can copy them, then go over to his first floor plan, and then he can do paste aligned current view, and it'll paste them exactly as they were on the other one. And that only works when they match. So as you can tell, it's the same shape for the building right here and on the first floor plan. So that's how that one kind of works. Now, once they're on sheets and things start to move and whatnot, and you have different things on here, like I have notes up here that say all doors should be dimensioned to 4 inches from the wall. You can copy that, and then you can go over here, and then you can paste, and you can either do align to same place, and then it'll go to the exact same place on that same page if it's the same size. So it'll do that. So that's another way of getting around it. Sometimes when you're pasting, this align to current view won't go or won't work because they're different sizes, especially when you look at this box that's around this editing area. Now this one, they are the same, but if they were different, like if you were going from a first floor plan to like a roof plan or a basement plan and they were different sizes, then you could do the align to same place, and that way you don't have to retype everything out and do all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of helpful. And then if you do align to selected sheets, you can actually pick the sheets you would like to copy this stuff over to. So it's kind of also easier if you, especially if you have like a north arrow down here and you needed to copy that to a bunch of different sheets in the same spot, you could do that, and that saves you time. And then aligned paste to clipboard will let you pick where you place it. So there's kind of that if you want to do that. Align to selected levels. So this is like if you have a big building, a commercial building, and you have like multiple floors of the same layout or the same have something that's very similar, then you can copy that item and you can paste it to different levels in the building. And then the align to pick levels where you can pick the levels kind of like the selected levels or views button is. So yeah, there's just a few things you can do with the copy and paste tool, which I think kind of saves time and helps with your workflow. So.